take-down clause. Ito yung malala dun sa cybercrime law. What does it say? It says that the Department of Justice alone, unilaterally, without any trial, without any hearing, can actually take down your account, your site, your whatever. So ito yung take down first before asking. Kasi wala kang kaso pwede siya mag-take down. At least ito, sinabing unconstitutional ng Korte Suprema. So talagang malaking kahihiyan sa Aquino government ito dahil ito ang pinanindigan nila. Ito yung tatlong provisions na pinagpilitan nila na kailangan ng cybercrime law. So, ano naman ang valid and constitutional? May problema pa rin tayo sa valid and constitutional marami, so, bawal mag-access ng computer system without right. In other words,